Hey guys, welcome back. This is Saumya Sanskriti and I hope you all are doing very great. So, as you all know, of course, as the title of my video says, I am going to unbox this. So, let's begin very carefully, as I always say. We should open it nicely. If it is packed nicely, so we should open it nicely. Okay, it's very secure as always. So, today it's getting a little hard, you know. Okay, I managed it. Right. Now from the other side. Other things. Oh wow, there are so many things. Okay. Okay, now let's start. Okay, right, let's begin. Okay, this is the one, this guy's perfume body lotion. This is how it is. It is 150 milliliter. This is worth rupees 479, but from you can get for 299 from October Oriflame catalog. This is how it is. Okay. Now, next we have is okay. This is Love Nature hair oil coconut oil. This is 100 milliliter. This is worth rupees 209. But you can get this for rupees 159 under Oriflame October catalog. Here it is. It has a very nice smell. I'm a person, I dislike hair oils, but this has a really nice smell. So I think you should use it. This is the one Color Stylist Ultimate Lipstick. It is a new launch by Oriflame under October catalog, and these are worth rupees 599 each, but under this catalog you get these under offer, that is buy one get one free. So we got 3 of these and got 3 of these for free. This is a new launch, so okay, I'll show it to you. One of these. Okay, this looks like this. And the shade is cranberry blush. Okay, pretty tight. This is how this looks. It has a creamy coverage. Okay, so I'll show you more in the next video about these. So okay. Now next we have is these. These are Gordini Gold Bronzing Pearls. This one I think is, yeah, Natural Radiance. These are also under offer in October catalog. These are worth rupees 1399, but you got these for 979, and with this you get with this you get this high impact eye pencil metallic, which is the one high impact eye pencil metallic for free under Oriflame October catalog. So this is it. Now next we have is this is Hair X Advanced Care Brilliant Black Shine Shampoo for dull hair with phytonutrients. This is a new launch again under Oriflame October catalog, and this is worth rupees 459, but you can get this for rupees 339 under Oriflame October catalog. So this is 250 milliliter. Okay, next we have is, okay, again this is a new launch from Oriflame under October catalog, and this is Optimal's Hydra Matte Refining Night Cream for Oily Skin. This is what it is. It is worth rupees 979, but you can get this for rupees 649. That is, there is 30% off under this catalog. Next we have is, okay, this it is one of my favorite thing, the one lip spark here lip balm, and this is natural pink shade I'm holding. This is worth rupees 349. Okay, let's show you how this is. Okay, I can open it right now. This is how it is. This is a natural pink shade. This comes in two shades, that is transparent and this natural pink. This is a really nice product. I love it. Means you feel the moisture for very long on your lips. Next we have is, okay, this is D1 Brocara for your brows, of course. And this is for rupees 599, but you can get this for rupees 419 under Oriflame October catalog. So this is how it is. I can't open it, it's sealed from here, of course. Okay, now next we have is these. Okay, these are Colorbox nail polish. This one is Metal Shine and this one is normal nail polish. These are everyday great value products which have the same price for this month and every month, and these are worth rupees 119 each. Yes. There are many more shades. Okay. Next we have this Love Nature facial kit, tropical fruits for normal to dry skin, and I really recommend this product. As for one person it's very much enough. You can use for months according to me, as we are 3 people, 3 ladies in our house, and seriously it's still working. We have already used 2 or 3 times for each person and still it is there. So, and I really recommend this product. This is worth rupees 1449 for now. It is its actual price, but you can get this for under offer and under different catalogs. Last month this was in offer, but you can understand it's too nice that we have purchased in this month because this thing. So if you really like this product, you can wait, you can stay tuned so that you can know the offers under different catalogs. So this is it. Okay guys, please stay tuned to my channel, like my videos, please share, comment, you can give feedback, and also follow my Facebook page. I have given the link below in the description. And please if you want to contact me, so you can contact me through my Facebook page, or you can follow me on Instagram. I have given all the links below in the description. So I hope guys you all do good, and in advance happy Diwali. Guys, stay updated for the new offers and for all the infos. If you really like Oriflame products, please do contact me. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Thank you.